Hello everyone, so in this video I want to show you jobs with visa sponsorship and in occupations that are so unlikely, like you can actually migrate as a chef, as a hairstylist, those occupations that people don't feel they can get jobs, with visa sponsorship on. So that's why I'm doing this video, to show you these jobs. They're available, they have visa sponsorship, they have relocation package, they pay for your flight, accommodation, like different kinds of relocation packages. These jobs do exist, but you just need to know the right place to find them. So in this video, I'm bringing them together to just show you, jobs you can apply for, different occupations with visa sponsorship. If you're just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel. Do hit the subscribe button so you can be seeing more videos from me, and turn on the post notification bell, very important. So how the bell works is, when you turn it on, every time I post a new video, you get a notification and you just click it and watch the video. So in this relocation journey, right, you can't depend on just one video. You need to get so much information so you can know your options. It will even make your journey faster when you know so much about the things you need to do to migrate. So you need to watch a lot of videos from me, to make your relocation dream come true. I mean, that is what my channel is all about. It's all about, showing you opportunities all around the world that you can take advantage of. So do me a favor, hit the like button of this video, just give me a thumbs up just to show that you appreciate the content I share here. It does motivate me to create more content. All right, thank you so much. Okay, so I'm going to show you the website. Let's move over to the website so I can show you everything you need to know about these visa sponsorship jobs you can apply for right now. So I'm bringing you these fresh jobs. Like, these jobs were posted today, March 19, as you can see up here. They are in different occupations, right? And these jobs are open to international applicants. And this is for a floor covering installer. Floor covering installer. If that is you, then you can apply for this. $36 per hour is the salary, and you'll be expected to work for 40 hours per week. And for education, they are looking for someone that has secondary school graduation certificate, right? And experience, they say, is an asset. So that is really cool. All right, so what are your responsibilities on this job? You're going to inspect, measure, and mark surfaces to be covered. You measure, cut, and fasten underlay and under padding, things that have to do with floor covering, right? So that just it, to install those floors, and that is what your job is all about. So they need someone that is organized and is a team player. And the benefits of this are learning, training paid by employer. So you're going to have trainings, right, that are paid by the employer, and you're going to have paid time off, volunteering, or personal days. So that is really amazing. So it's written here who can apply for this job: all the candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit. So if you're outside, you can apply for this. So I got this under the category of international applicants that are outside Canada. That was a category where I found these jobs. If you've been watching my videos, you know exactly how to get here. So you can watch my previous videos so you can see all this. I usually show the step-by-step process on how to find these international jobs in Canada and other countries as well. Okay, so if you want to apply for this, send your CV to this email address right here, right? So you can send it to this email address. So I'm going to be showing you a lot of job openings, a lot of them. So this one is for early childhood educator assistant, and the salary is $20 to $21 hourly rate, and it can be negotiated. And you're expected to work for 35 to 40 hours per week. And secondary school graduation certificate is all they're asking for, and 1 year experience. All right. So these are your tasks on the job. And then when it has to do with your credentials, certificates, licenses, memberships, and courses, what they're asking for is early childhood education certificate, that is the ECE, and then your first aid certificate and CPR certificate, right? So if you have all that, then send your CV and cover letter to this email address right here, hrcentralmontessori@gmail.com. So send in your CV and your cover letter to this email address right here, okay? So I'm going to share all these links on my Telegram channel. So you can check out the Telegram channel to find these links. How do you join the Telegram channel? There's a link in the description box. You click on that link and you're in the Telegram channel. Or you can as well copy out this link and post on your browser and you are there. All right. So here we have a bottle sorter. Bottle sorter. This is the first time I'm hearing this. Okay. Two vacancies for this and no degree is required and also no experience. They say they're going to train. So this is for anyone and everyone that wants to be a bottle sorter in Canada. And this is the email address to send in your CV, randtbottledepot@gmail.com. You can send in your CV and cover letter to that email address. And this is for a cook, $17 per hour, 40 hours of work. And they are hiring two people for this, so two vacancies for this position. And for education, they need secondary school graduation certificate and 1 year experience. Okay, so you know what a cook does. You prepare and cook complete meals or individual dishes and foods, and you can just read all this to know the task for the job. And email address to send in your application is right here, so you can do that real quick if you feel you match the profile. Next up, kitchen supervisor, $18 per hour, and you'll be working for 44 hours per week. Secondary school graduation certificate is what they're looking for, and 1 year experience. You're going to be working in a restaurant as a kitchen supervisor. Yeah. So the task: establish methods to meet work schedules, supervise and coordinate activities of staff who prepare and portion food, train staff in job duties, sanitation and safety procedures, and a whole lot of that, hire food service staff, and so much more. So you're going to be supervising 5 to 10 people and all of that. So there's a lot going on here. So you need to be client focused, efficient interpersonal skills, excellent oral communication, flexibility, team player, and all. So here you're going to have paid time off and team building opportunities. So if you want to join this team as a kitchen supervisor, then send your application to this email address, fusionkabob@gmail.com. So you can go ahead and do that real quick. And I do advise you apply as soon as possible. These jobs were posted today, March 19. So you should be among the first people to apply for this. So this is for an administrative manager. Salary $46 per hour, 60, 35 hours per week, and they need bachelor's degree for this. Yeah, so this is one of those ones where a bachelor's degree is needed and 2 years work experience. So you need to be proficient in Microsoft Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Word, and you're going to get a dental plan for this job. That is one of the benefits, the dental plan. So if you want to join this team, then send your application to hr.cargrain@outlook.com. So send in your application to this email address right here. All right, next up, truck driver. So you want to be a truck driver. All you need is secondary school graduation certificate, and they said they're going to train you so you can do that. But you do have to have a driver's license, class 1 or A, and an A brake Z endorsement. So that is needed. All right, so email address to send your application is right here. Hans Brothers Trucking at gmail.com. Hans Brothers Trucking at gmail.com. So next up here is for a painter. Painter, $22, sorry, $25, I beg your pardon, $25 per hour for 40 hours of work per week. Secondary school certificate is all you need and 1 year experience. So you can send your application to this email address right here, artcustom3854 at yahoo.com. Artcustom3854 at yahoo.com. That is the email address to send your application. Next up here is automotive body repairer painter. Automotive body repairer painter. Secondary school, 2 years experience, and here is the email address to send your application to: connect@phoenixcustom.ca. So you can send your application to that email address to join the team. Next up here is a cook. So if you're a cook, your services are urgently needed in Canada. So you can apply for this by sending your credentials to this email address: mrmike7@telus.net. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'll be doing more videos to show you more jobs, more job opportunities. As you can see, there are jobs in different occupations. Like I keep saying it, you don't need to be a healthcare worker or an IT professional. No matter the occupation you are, you can move down to Canada, right? So once you have the skill, you have the experience, you can move down to Canada, all right?
I really think you should apply to these jobs like immediately, because at times if they see what they're looking for even before the deadline, they can close receiving applications. So apply as soon as possible, and also share the opportunity with others. Let them know that these jobs do exist so they can apply for them. So give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you want to talk to me privately, you want to have a one-on-one consultation with me, I do that, because there's so much information out there, and some people don't really know how to, like, which one is for them, which pathway is best for them. So the purpose of this one-on-one sessions is basically to let people know, the right pathway for them in terms of their qualification, their experience, their budget, and things like that. So if you want to talk to me privately to get a good sense of which pathways you should be pursuing, then do send me an email and we will arrange that. All right, thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.